How to change pitch in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio file you want to edit by dragging it into the workspace or using the file menu. Once your file is loaded, click anywhere on the waveform to make sure it's selected. Now, go to the top menu and click on Effects. From the drop-down list, scroll down and choose Time and Pitch, and then Time and Pitch Adjust. This will open a small window where you can adjust the pitch settings. This opens a window with two main options, Time Stretch and Pitch Shift. Under Time Stretch, you will see a slider and a box where you can change the speed of the audio in percentage. This is helpful if you want the audio to play faster or slower without affecting the pitch. Below that, there's Pitch Shift. This section also has a slider and a box, but it works in semitones. Moving the slider to the right will increase the pitch, making the voice sound higher. Moving it to the left lowers the pitch, making the voice deeper. You can also type the exact semitone value in the box if you want more precision. There's also a checkbox labeled Optimize for speech processing. If your audio is voice-based, keeping this box checked can help maintain clarity when changing the pitch or speed. Once you are done adjusting, click on Apply and the changes will take effect immediately. Preview the audio in the workspace to hear how it sounds. If you are satisfied with the audio, go to File and click Save or Save As to keep your edited audio. If not, you can go back to Effects menu, reopen the Time and Pitch window and make further adjustment until it sounds right. And that's it. Now you know how to change pitch in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.